Good day, bro. My name is Baradan Ganasan, A18A0082. We are from Group 16 and we took autonomous vehicle as a prototype that contributes to innovation and improvement for the logistic industry.
Good day, my name is Guna Anlaki Muniandi and my metric number is A18A0162.
Good day, doctor. My name is Arthini Monarajan and my metric number is A18A0074.
Hi, my name is Norakila binti Aini, matrix number A18A0490.
First of all, I would like to explain about the abstract of this report. Recent technologies developments are announced as the next revolution is the field of mobility and transportation is the autonomous vehicle. With the introduction of autonomous vehicle, the mobility and transport logistic process will be completely new. Autonomous forklifts will then unload the shipments and replace them with a network of conveyor belts and robotic arms. The aim of this report is to provide an overview of autonomous vehicles, after which autonomous vehicle will be used and potentially affected. The key question of this report is how autonomous vehicle will give expected contribution to the logistic industry. So their expected contribution is autonomous vehicle can lower the fuel consumption, reduce deaths and injury on the highway, remove stop and go wave and the cost of logistic industry. Autonomous vehicle show biggest transformation to the logistic industry.
Ground or motivation of autonomous vehicles, many individuals in this sector did not know that autonomous logistic vehicles had already taken part in a large part of the logistic workplace. Firstly, this is a long way for autonomous vehicles on the open road. It is because the future of logistics will require a huge autonomous vehicle that transport goods. Next, the idea of city logistics has gained attention over the last few years, but it is by no means a modern phenomenon. One way to categorize city logistics may be to find effective and convenient means of transporting goods. Then, autonomous vehicle technology may be a turning point for the shipping sector. This can be proved that from decreasing freight and logistic prices to improving fuel quality and reducing delivery times. Next, autonomous vehicle technologies are evolving quickly and will soon be available. Businesses in the logistic industry can achieve a comparative edge by successfully embracing this new technology. However, there is limited study on the effect of autonomous vehicles on the logistic industry. And lastly, from a market strategy standpoint, autonomous vehicles in the logistic field will be more than ideal. Numerous procedures in the transport sector may be made more effective by automation. Okay, next, this is some key question as for autonomous vehicles. Firstly, what can we be expected from the autonomous vehicle? The answer are can lower fuel consumption, minimize deaths and injury, remove stop and go waves, and also reduce costs in the logistic industry. Next, is it easy to deliver shipments ordered on the same day or distributing them within a certain amount of time? Yes, with autonomous vehicle, we can solve several problems such as making it easy to deliver the shipments ordered on the same day or distributing them within a certain amount of time. Autonomous vehicles have built-in GPS and traffic monitors to prevent jams and facilitate quicker distribution. In particular, with these vehicles, we can also deliver on Sundays that would otherwise not be allowed in countries where there are rules against Sunday work in most regions. Last but not least, how many methods, which is the current system, need to be strengthened? Of course, a lot to develop when it comes to this method, which is the current system need to be strengthened. In addition, several different considerations should be taken into account, particularly in the case of the same-day delivery, for example, the location of the logistics center or the speed limit in the neighborhood. Thank you.
In relevant literature part, Autonomous vehicles promise significant benefits for logistic industry that struggle with the demand for shorter delivery times. In addition to improved operational efficiencies, autonomous vehicles can help lower freight costs, improve truck utilization, reduce logistic costs, improve fuel efficiency, and reduce delivery time. However, the thought of large trucks driving themselves on highways or in busy urban areas give rise to a number of concerns, and reasonable so.
Next is model. The truck is occupied with high technology equipments which allows the sensitivity of the truck to be very high, which can avoid congestion accidents on road. The truck is much bigger than a normal truck as it can fit 2 times load than a normal truck. This truck can deliver the products in 3 to 5 days time because there will be no necessary for humans to take rest and delay the time. Next is marketing strategy. Though the job opportunity for this decrease, it can reduce the number of deaths caused by congestion and accidents. This is because the truck have high sensitivity on the danger or problems that will occur on road. Next, the truck is provided with many fiber containers which can keep the goods very safe and without any problem to deliver the goods in a good way.
Next, I would like to explain about the discussion of this report. The driving capacity of an autonomous vehicle comes from a series of hardware technologies together with the complex software technologies which allow the autonomy of the device. Autonomous vehicles generally consist of 4 key technologies which enable them to operate independently in a complex and everyday environment. These components are the perception and modeling of the environment, localization and maps, taking decision and controlling motions. Autonomous vehicle must be equipped with important backup system that monitor the performance and can navigate to a safe parking system in the event that any of the primary unit fails. The communication systems are heavily dependent on V2V and V2I. Is that the infrastructure tell that the vehicle when its environment looks like. The vehicle adds its own observation about the surroundings of the vehicle by light detection ranging and compares it with the map database that identifies differences as the barriers to the navigation. The second system allows the car to perceive and analyze the environment in its entirely. The downside of the system, higher vehicle costs, as the car needs a series of cameras, radars and sensors and increased weather sensitivity. The benefit of this is the ability to react faster to environment charges and a greater degree of infrastructure independence. Thank you.
And the last part is expected contribution. Autonomous vehicle can lower fuel consumption. Autonomous vehicle technology is capable of improving the fuel economy by accelerating and decelerating faster than a human driver by 4 to 10%. Moreover, the ability of autonomous vehicle system to minimize death and injury on the highways with 94% of the fatal vehicle crashes attributed to human error. Autonomous vehicle can remove stop and go waves due to human driving habit with only 5% of the vehicle being automatic and closely controlled. Last but not least, autonomous vehicle can reduce costs of logistic industry which are labor costs, shipping costs and fuel costs. That's it from us, doctor. Thank you.